Alright guys, so in the last video we unboxed the laptop. In this video we're going to unbox the new monitor that I just bought for myself. With getting into the online gaming world where we're going to be recording and sharing things, one monitor is no longer enough for us. So went ahead and picked up a second one while I was at Best Buy today. You may see the trend. This one is Omen by HP as well, 25-inch monitor. So we're going to go ahead and get to unboxing this thing and see what's inside of it.
It's a monitor.
Alright, so let's get this thing open here. So we got some power cables, some connector cables.
Didn't you just buy one of those?
No, not one of those. I bought a hookup so that we can run both monitors. Software and documentation, CD with some warranty info. Alright. First piece of styrofoam out of the way. We'll set this here for right now. Alright, so what was left in the box is a little bracket. The mount and things for the stand. Voila, empty box. So let's get this bad boy out of here. So, slide this around here so you guys can see it. Once again, instructions on how to put a monitor together. Looks like it's only going to take 6 easy steps.
And it tilts.
Yes, and it tilts. And there is our beautiful Omen monitor. So we're going to go ahead and cut the video here. And when we bring it back up, we will have it plugged into the computer, and we will let you guys kind of see what our station looks like. All right, everybody. So I wanted you to see how the new monitor looks once we have it set up. And this is going to be in contrast to a Samsung monitor sitting next to it. So as you can see, the new Omen monitor definitely has a lot more pop to it. Definitely happy with my purchase so far. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Once again, if you'd like to, make sure you subscribe. That way we can get you notifications every time we come out with something new. Thank you again for watching.